Hello everyone, I'm Priya Praveen. This is my third project for Madras Bazaar. So let's begin with. Today I'm going to do with this mermaid pigment, which I have green color. You can see the shade here, and also I have red and gold, and few molds to do the project. UV resin, some glitters, opaque, dyes, and 2:1 resin, and UV lamp, lighter, and tissue, and some tools, and my very favorite measuring cups. Mixing cup. So let's begin with brushing up the pigment. I'm taking green color. I'm using this flat brush. See, I took very little and it covers the entire tail. Rub equally so that the finish will be so perfect and good. I'll add gold color here. Before you start your work, don't forget to clean your mold. So this helps you to avoid bubbles and give you a perfect finish of your work. So I have done. Can you see it? Okay, here you can see gold and the green shade in the tail. Now what I'm going to do is I'll put two different colors. So let's see how it's gonna come. So I have added a black dye very lightly so that I myself gonna check whether it's gonna work on UV. And I'll add some glitters. And I have this holographic glitters in different shapes. Actually, I'm adding very little to this. Let's pour. We are going to add two colors to this fish tail. Okay. Always first pour here to this part of the mold. Now I'll mix a little blue. I'll add some tinsel. I'll add this blue now. So let's keep it in the UV lamp for a while and we'll start with the other one. I'll do with this mold. Let's take red, now what I'm going to do is I'll directly pour the resin so that we'll see how the effect reflects here. You can add some glitters if you want. So I'll keep this in UV lamp. So the fish tail, it has come like this. See, you can see the gold which I have applied and the green shade. Actually, since I have used blue, you couldn't see, so I'll try it out in some other color, but the black has come out really well. It has to cure more. I'm just showing this and we'll see how this has come. So can you see the shade? Actually in video I couldn't see, but in person I can see the shade, but since it's transparent it's not so visible. Maybe you can see now. So let's try to add some color to this so that we'll know how does it look. This one is ready. See, you can slightly see the changes. I've added red behind, so it also gives this mermaid, the tinsel effect also gives a mermaid look, and I can also see the double shaded here. See, so we'll keep that for some time. And now what I'm going to do is we'll have some test. So I'll mix some pigments into the resin and we'll see how the effects comes out. Can you see the shades? So we'll pour some color in this and we'll see how this turns out. can see very lightly. I can see the reds, greens, and gold. It's smudged with the yellow color. Maybe if we have tried in white opaque, it would have been quite good. I'll pour white first. And black. Let's see. White opaque, black shows very well the shades, all three shades. I've took 2:1 ratio, and I've added the pigment directly to the black one. So this looks so beautiful, and I have already rubbed this, so let's add. So this is the black outcome. See, it has come really very well. You can see all three shades here. And I have made this flower also in black. And the cabacans with different shades. See the red one here, gold, and these are so. Hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.